welcome on stage. This is Senior Consultant Christian Dalsgaard at Danish Technological Institute. I assume Zachary?
Yeah, and hello everybody. I also have my colleague Zachary Davis in the lab.
Yep.
So
hello everybody. How are you doing?
And you're so good, Zach. We can see you, we can hear you. I can tell everybody that we have so amazing fun setting this up, and I hope that we can transfer that fun to you guys too.
This is the layout you wanted, then I would remove myself actually into the audience so you are displayed much bigger and sound is great.
Yeah.
The stage is yours. The stage is yours, guys. I move to the listeners.
All right. Thank
Enjoy.
you very much.
Okay. Yeah. We are 2 minutes ahead of schedule. Probably the first time in a conference. My name is Christian Dalsgaard. I work at the Danish Technological Institute in Copenhagen, in Tostrup, near Copenhagen. I'm also chair of the Smart Textile Alliance in London. I have a long background into smart fabrics and the technologies about smart wearables. Zach, please introduce yourself to the audience before I start my presentation.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my name is Zachary. I'm also team manager at the Danish Technological Institute, and I'm gonna give you a little tour after some words from Christian. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. And the agenda for today is that I'll start out just tell a bit more about the Danish Technological Institute and what kind of work we can do for you. Zach will show you the printing and electronics lab. We will switch back and hopefully I can also showcase some of the demos that we have on smart wearables and the trend in utilizing printed electronics in this segment. Finally, we can showcase a very nice application, a precure sleeve that is used to prevent muscle injury. But let me share my screen and do a PowerPoint presentation. And I can see that appears everything work. We have done the very short introduction. We're both from the Printed Electronics Group here in Copenhagen. I work mostly outreach on defining projects, see opportunities utilizing the capacity at smart textiles and printed electronics. And Zach is here as the team manager for the group. DTI is over 100 years old. It's a research and technology organization. It's approved by the Danish Ministry of Higher Education and Science. We have 4 locations here in Denmark. Mainly the headquarters is in Tostrup, which is close to Copenhagen, just a few minutes from the airport, and you can visit us very easy. We have a site in Aarhus, which I also work on because I live close to Aarhus. People that may know me is aware that I have my booth in Aarhus. So I can jump into both Copenhagen and Aarhus very easily. We have a site in Odense, which is mainly on robotic, and robotic also influence printed electronics in areas like smart skins for the robot arm. So there's 100% a synergy between the work that we are doing and also the work that are doing on in Odense. In Skype, we have the agriculture division, and that will probably also be expanded in the future with a lot of the work that is currently done in central part of Aarhus. Zooming in,